Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All right, birthday girl. Come on, Lenny. We want to see some candy come out. Oh my! So of course the unexpected happens. Silas. What's good, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today is Cairo's birthday party. Ooh, my mom did this right. It is really, really nice. She like remodeled her whole back deck. Look, she put like the grass down and stuff like that. It looks nice. We got the slip and slide. Ladies, what's going on in here? What is this? What shapes are you making from this?
The number 11
cake.
They're right
look
there.
at this guy. So guys, for
This is the next. This is the beginning stages.
the beginning stages of the cake, they love making the cakes for these birthday parties. And Mama, say hi.
No, I have a cake topper coming.
Grandma,
What? So I'm just gonna
say
put that
hi.
on there.
Hi.
She's busy right now, looking all through the sprinkles. And she's the most decorative person in the fam. Little mom, they're whipping up the cakes for the party. What is this right here? What is this?
Fondant.
You mind if I grab one now? Uh-oh, who's at the door? So guys, they got a whole bunch of stuff going on. It's gonna be so good. And I just bought these two little blueberry. No, blueberry, not chocolate chip, chocolate chip. Alright, let's go see the kids again. What's wrong?
Can I have a bottle of water?
You thirsty?
No, Sammy, I'm hungry, so I want water.
You have enough water in the pool.
You want me to drink it?
If you want to. This is the birthday girl. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
What's your name?
London.
How old are you?
11.
Guys, yeah, don't these look like twins? Stella.
Okay, you just want to drink
Are they
some?
brother and sister or are they not?
No.
Don't they look like brother and sister?
No, she was
Really?
at foster and then we adopted her.
And then Maddie.
The Barbie.
Maddie.
Mama, come here.
She's like the oldest of the bunch. Here's all the gifts.
Sammy, can you get those,
All the bags for London's friends.
Sammy, can you get those two, like, water things on the floor?
Two water, right here, floaties? Yeah.
Mom, where's the water?
Alright, so what's this room called?
What?
It's just called the party room?
Yeah.
Just the party room? Alright, well come on, show me out here because I hear someone crying.
It's Silas.
Like, guys, he's so dramatic. You see him? Look.
I was like, I don't remember.
Oh, that was a big splash. Let me go out there. Guys, this is the slide. I think you guys seen the last video, but this one, they got like a new one this time. Like, guys, it's bigger than the house. Man, do you have to get out because you keep getting splashed because you're the smallest one in here? Are you okay? Hey, baby. There's the other birthday boy. Say hi. You say hi? Are you gonna say hi? Oh, that's why he's crying. Here, let me wipe your face. Guys, I'm definitely getting on this today too. Look how big it is. Look at this. Let me see some. Oh my. Oh. Here, you have to move over here. Move over here. Come over here. All right, right here, so you won't get splashed. Guys, I'm getting soaked. I'm trying to be the cameraman for you guys right now. Oh my gosh, that was fast. That was a good one, man. So of course the unexpected happens. Silas and my younger sister, London, was going down the slide together, and I caught it on video too, but I didn't realize it happened until after. So Cairo had his earrings in and he went down first. And so when it came for their turn to come down, Cairo didn't move out the way in time to come down. And when they were coming down, Silas and London, let me just reset because I was all over the place. Silas has cut on top of his eyelid, and it looks like he needs either stitches or glue now. So basically, when Cairo went down the slide, he didn't move out the way in time. He was grabbing a squirt gun or something at the bottom. And he didn't move out the way in time from when Silas and London, my sister, were going down. And basically, Cairo was in the way and he has his earrings in. And basically, when they came down, Silas's eyelid slid against his earring and cut his eyelid. So now we're on our way to urgent care. Man, why did this happen, man? We're supposed to have a good day. Look at my baby boy, Silas. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, it looks very bad. We about to go inside and get him stitched up. Just got out of the ER. I hate going there, guys. Reason why, I mean, I understand, you know, they gotta, there's so much other people got stuff going on and they gotta take care of, but I just feel sometimes they take extra time of what is needed. Like, it's been like 4 hours we've been in there, and he guys, all he needed was glue. Let me see. And so guys, so he did get glue. I showed you guys before. The thing that's on top of it, be careful, baby. It's a little tissue from the gauze, and the glue, a little bit of the glue. Let me see, baby, come here. A little bit of the glue got on his little eyelashes, but doctor said everything is okay. The glue should be healing, and everything should be back to normal. Baby, oh my gosh, baby. Yeah, guys, he's saying that his bigger brother bumped him. And the doctors gave him a little minion toy for being so good. Love you, baby. Love you.
You can't go in the water then, right?
No, no water, nothing.
You okay, baby? No more water, baby.
Yeah, look at that, man. Look like he kind
They
of
put his eyelashes in there.
Yeah, he said it was alright though. Baby, go look at his eye now, Bobby. Look at his eye. Look. Papa.
Oh my tank. Look at it. Oh no. Oh no. Come on.
What happened? Yeah.
Give him a hug. Say, are you okay?
Huggy.
Aww.
Mom, I need the other bag. They said there's a sugar.
London, we're here late. Sorry, we're here late.
We already opened yours.
What?
I already opened your bag.
Twice?
Twice?
Now come
This
on.
striped shirt.
Looks like you still have a lot of
Is
gifts.
this your guy?
Let me see, London, what is that?
It's a giant marker set.
Oh my, it's like the 100 in there.
It's 80. Look. Look.
What is it?
Little tip.
I'm a guy, so I don't know nothing about that.
Big tip. Ow.
Let's see it. Yeah. What is this?
Is this a left?
I have no clue. It's something.
No, beluga whales. Oh my god. Syringe thong.
What?
You got this at Hot Topic? Next? Oh, are these the shirts?
Oh
The
my
shorts
God, look at all
from
the
Five Below?
colors.
Dang. Get your bag.
So we got the pinata out, guys.
No.
All right, so who's gonna break the pinata first?
Me.
Everybody should hit it like two times. Twice. All right, twice.
Did you say 8? Mia, why you look all depressed over there?
Look, she's waiting. She's extra safe. Oh my gosh. That's one. One more.
Move back.
June, watch out.
One more.
We'll set it down for a second.
He's not gonna get him.
And see if we can adjust.
Last one. Nice. Who's next? Pop, the stick's bigger than you. How you gonna hit it? Let's see.
Go, Cairo.
1, 2.
3.
Oh.
3. Okay.
Oh.
Cairo, next person.
Oh, all right. Next person, Pop.
1, 2. Hold it. 1, 2, 3.
1.
Look, ready?
One more hit.
Put both
Like,
hands.
look at his eye.
Let's go,
Both hands like this. Look, all right, ready?
Here, Carla.
Hang on. 1, 2.
3. Hit it, man. Oh.
1, 2. Wait, 1.
One more. Watch out. Watch out. Whoa. Oh, he's ready. 1, 2. One more. One more. One more. Oh.
Please get back.
Watch out. Kira's up. She looks like the strongest person. Poppy, watch out. 1. Oh.
One more.
Oh, one more. Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it. Yeah. Oh my. Pick it up, Ju. Ju.
I just broke it off.
Come on. Well, no, don't whack it. You gotta swing it like. Swing it, yeah.
Wait, he's a lefty. Stop.
All right, so he's a lefty.
That's what he is.
There you go.
Say, look. And don't that feel better? However you want.
Come on, come on.
Yeah, see, I'm a lefty.
Let's see.
I hit with my right.
Nice hit, June. Come on, you can do. Come on, you're a boy. You're stronger than that. Ready? Oh, one. Next.
Get behind that.
Oh, 1. Oh, 2. Oh. Go ahead. One more, Lucas. One more.
We have to wait for it to break.
Oh, one more. Come on, Luke. You missed it.
No.
Oh.
Who's next?
All right, birthday girl. Come on, Lenny. We want to see some candy come out. Oh my gosh. Go, guys. Go. Get some candy. Get it.
Wait,
Come on, go.
Go, side, go.
Go ahead.
go, man, go.
Oh my gosh.
Go. Go, side. Get more. Get
Babe,
the
don't be
other
getting
one.
up for you, dude.
Go, come on.
Bro, I found a half candy.
Oh, you found a half of Smartie? What?
The
Man.
candy literally broke open. This is mine.
Okay, man. You found some?
Smarties.
Get it, man.
Right there.
Oh.
Right here.
Put it in the bag. Cairo, what else you find? Come on, there's candy everywhere. Oh. Nice. What else you find? You found a major candies. What's in your bag? Oh my gosh. 3 candy.
Man.
We about to dig into this snow cone machine.
Pour the ice in. Big old tongue.
Why is it coming out water? Oh.
This or that?
Pour the ice in.
What is this? Alright, go ahead.
Puppy man.
Go ahead.
Puppy. No, puppy man.
He's a big man, he
Huh?
said.
Alright.
Man.
Oh.
Oh,
Alright, that's it, man. That's it. Let me see you take a bite.
Chichi.
Thanks, Gigi. Man, let me see you take a bite. No, take a bite. Let's see. Oh, that's a big bite.
show the camera and say, is it good?
You good, man?
Show him, tell him. Look. Say it's good.
He just wants to smile for you.
I didn't put the borders.
Let's see.
Let's see.
So, guys, we want it packed in there. Not
You
too
only wanna
packed, though.
put your, ew.
Not too packed. Just shave it down a little bit. Smush it down a little bit. Maybe a little bit more.
I'm pretty sure they don't.
Okay, there it goes. That's a good one right there. How they be Jerusalem? They be like, I messed that all up.
I don't know. You trying to be extra?
Oh.
Like. Now you're capping.
I'm not
You have to
capping.
put a lot of flavor
It's
on it.
actually good. Guys, I'm probably a sweat ball too, for real.
Yeah, I need to get in the shower.
So what is this?
Oh, his cake that I made.
Little mommy.
It tastes really good on the inside, but the frosting, as y'all can see up close, it kind of like melted and it didn't like stick on all the way because
really
it's
good,
really
though.
hot in the house. What? What's the matter?
Yeah, be careful, don't hit your eye,
You
man.
okay, baby?
Vegan, right, man? Vegan?
Yeah.
Vegan.
Yeah, it is. The frosting is supposed to be like a thicker frosting for it to like attach itself better to the cake. I'm not a baker, but it still tastes good.
It
just
looks
doesn't
good,
look
but
perfect. The last cake,
I do see it drooping.
the last cake that I made for Silas's birthday came out like amazing. That one was really good. I don't think we vlogged that, right?
I don't think we did.
But yeah, so it was just hot, y'all. It's like 95 degrees, and it was just hot, and a lot of people in here and stuff. So the frosting wasn't really cooperating. I needed to actually put it in the freezer or fridge to like cool up for a little bit, but I didn't have enough time. So I just need to get some extra tools. Remember, we are in Charlotte. We're not at our house. So
Well, no,
I have
you
everything
did
with me.
snap with the tools. Remember last cake? You
Yeah,
you were
last
smoothing
cake
it
I
out.
really like snapped with it. But we did get this little stuff off of Amazon, these little decorations. And then we can put like the words on there.
And I see these minions over here.
Yeah, and this is like the little topper thing to go on top. Cairo's gonna pick his first one, so which one do you want to pick? Silas, you're gonna pick one. Which one do you want?
Which one you want?
Which one do you want?
This.
Well, you want this one?
No.
Alright, Silas, which one do you want? Which one do you want?
This.
You want that one? Alright,
It's coming.
Alright, wait. We're gonna do Pops first because it's his birthday, okay?
Alright.
You want it right here? Alright.
Oh,
That's fine.
Alright.
Alright, ready? Watch out. Put your arm over here. Put your arm over
Here
here.
it is. Uh-oh. Wow, you gotta get a tattoo.
Oh,
soak it. Let's soak that.
Oh, me.
Man,
Oh!
let's get a tattoo.
Oh. It's getting there.
Does it hurt, Pop?
No.
What? Tattoos don't hurt?
Alright, you ready?
1,
2, 3. Oh, what the heck?
What is that? You got the minions on you.
Alright, man, where do you want
Man's
yours? Where do you want yours?
You want yours right here?
Where?
No.
Oh, okay.
Where? Show me.
He wants it right there. Where's his brother want?
You want it right there?
His brother.
No.
Are you sure? Right there?
Me.
Alright, ready?
No, so.
Oh,
Now it ripped off.
it ripped. What? Oh, you don't have no mouth now, man.
We had
You
to
need
pick a different one. Now he's choosing Kevin acting crazy with a party hat and some candy. You gonna show Gigi?
Uh-oh.
Alright, hold on. Wait.
Here it goes.
I need to get some more hot water.
Uh-oh.
Mom.
Yeah, don't touch it, don't touch it.
Careful, Pop. It's going to be hot.
Alright, watch
All
out.
right, man.
Amen.
Oh, I think it's on there. Good, man. It's going on.
Tattoo time.
1, 2,
Wait,
3.
wait. It needs to be for like 10 more seconds. Alright, 1,
Uh-oh. 2, 3.
Oh, okay, man.
See,
Now you
they
guys are
matching.
twins.
All right, look, they're ready to go back.
Alright, alrighty. Now go show Gigi. And then see if June or Lynn wants one.
Wait, no, didn't we get these ones at Party City? Yeah, see, we got these ones at Party City.
Happy
birthday to
Happy birthday to you. Cha, cha, cha.
Happy birthday, dear London.
Cha, cha, cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha, cha, cha. Eat more cake.
Whoa, I ain't never heard that before.
Oh.
Maybe I never
1, 2, 3.
Yay! All right, here comes mom. No, just you. Watch out, Pop. What is that? Oh my gosh, man, look.
And
Oh, that's cute.
Oh my god, that's so. Save me a piece, save me a piece.
Oh, Pop, what is this?
right here.
That's Anna.
Two,
2. Oh
three,
no.
3.
Oh.
That's 4. No more. You're only 4.
Watch out. Only 4. Only 4.
Number 4.
Watch out. Watch your finger.
Man.
6.
No, 2.
3.
3.
It's on my tablet.
1.
Can you see them?
Yeah? Who's holding the phone?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Sit down.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cairo. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out, puppy.
Make a wish.
Come on.
Good job.
Yay. What was his first gift? The shoes? Okay.
This one?
Oh.
You want that one? Ooh. That's the thing I got him.
Oh, sensory bin.
The sharks, turtle, octopus, crabs, starfish, and you get all the sand. You like it?
What's in there, Pop?
Let me see.
It's a room. Look, it's a room. Instead of bringing 2 cards for each of them.
I know.
Oh, you got the monster card. Hold it. Hold up. Say cheese. Ew, Pop. What the heck?
Mom, look.
Oh, what is that? Help him.
Puppy.
What is that? Oh, Pop. What is it? Oh yeah, not yet.
Cairo.
Cairo.
You missed the sneaks. Look at the sneakers.
Here.
Look at the new Spider-Man shoes.
Out on Calvary Arena.
So what's going on? It's called
1,
Pin the Minion.
2,
Pin the
3.
Minion.
All right. Wait. Here.
All right, Pop.
Here's your sticker. Here's your sticker. Put it in your hand, and then put it on there. Ready? Which
So,
one?
Pop.
You have to put it where his hat is at. Where's his hat? Put it where his hat's at. Go up. Where's his hat?
Now, like, did he cheat?
I didn't know.
Like,
He
he got it for the
doesn't.
first time.
He doesn't even. He has it on all the way.
Pop, can you see?
All right. Good job. It's backwards though. Good job,
Like,
baby.
first try. Okay,
right, man, your turn.
Mom's turn. So he got on his first time. Now, can you see? Can you see it through that? Or no?
No.
You can't see
I'm
at
gonna
all.
close my eyes. I can't see unless I open up my eyes.
All right,
My
so
eyes are
spin,
closed.
spin 3 times.
Well, you gotta spin.
Yeah,
Well,
1, 2, 3. All right, little mom. Where's his hat?
oh.
Where's that man's hat? Ooh, you're close. You're close.
I'm not gonna feel the board because then I'm gonna know. Oh.
You almost fell. You're close.
Oh.
Wait, don't tell mom. Ooh. Yeah,
Really?
right. Oh, come on. Don't
Wait, I
be
make
second
sure.
guessing.
No, I didn't.
Right on the head.
Like,
I can't even see.
Ah,
I
well, come
probably
on.
look. I went this way.
Oh, still right
let's
on
see.
it.
Nice. Now look. Now that's what I'm saying. You and Cairo are cheating.
I knew you were gonna do that. So we're gonna spin you. Daddy's going. 1, I'm trying to go slow. 2,
Damn.
3. Alright, close your eyes all the way. Alright, go ahead.
Well, I don't want to feel it because.
Go ahead.
Damn.
Go.
How's he get it right on there?
Like, really? Pop. Say, what the heck? It wasn't even over
I
there,
didn't want to
Pop.
feel it because that would be cheating.
Pop, say, what the heck is right here? Mine, Silas, June's, Daddy's. Now it's Gigi's turn.
Alright, 1,
2, 3. Oh, 3.
Alright.
Oh,
Let's see.
fall over.
Now,
Let's see.
I can't touch it. Oh, I just hit somebody in the head. Oh.
Oh.
really? Like
Like.
she went that low.
Alright, Graham.
Yeah, and that's
Come on.
fine.
Here, unlock this. Or how do I get the camera on?
Man.
Around. She's trying to cheat.
One.
You gotta spin it.
2. What the? 3. Alright, Graham. Graham's turn.
Oh. Oh, let's see, Graham.
Oh, what
Okay.
the? Okay, Graham. Look, Cairo was the closest one.